Hey everybody, Robert over here by the table saw, and we changed our blade today over to the wood blade, and when we did, this was super hard to get off. So what happened was I think it just got over tightened. I was actually probably the one that over tightened it. So we have an SOP, maybe we need to add to the SOP not to over tighten this to make it so hard for the next guy. So just want to let everybody know, thanks.
Hey guys, Robert and I just cut the 1x3 for the hood. Thanks.
Hey E-Team, so this is kind of what happens here on this shelf, so we're going to make some changes. Alright guys, so real quick, labeled this up, moved this from down below, labeled it, Kanban card thing, and just kind of generally cleaned up this part of the area.
Good morning, Elite. So you see this right here? This is where the this throat oil goes in, but this stuff is so thick you can't get it in there. I mean, if you watch the bottle, it doesn't work very well. So we're trying to figure out an idea, like a syringe or whatnot, to put it in there, or like a squeeze bottle, kind of like this guy. And I came across an empty one, and I was going to put some in here and keep it back here to squeeze it in. And of course, during the process of messing around, I realized that the cover fits perfectly right on there. So now, instead of all that over processing, it works perfect. And now you just wait for it to hit the end. Here it comes. Whoop. And you can just squeeze it right in there. Awesome 2-second improvement.
Morning Elite, so I'm just figuring this out. It looks like if we get the 1.5 tinkered toy and run it through to be able to connect all 3 of these heads. And then I got the height, if we use the 3/4 inch tinkered toy on top with a 2x4, that'll get us almost the right height that we need for that middle, so it's actually right at the belt almost, but a little bit lower to get maximum suction.
All right, so we have this all connected back up now, so this unit is actually filling both tanks. If this unit is off, this unit will fill both tanks. But we have a drain on this one to drain that tank. There's also a drain right down here. We're going to have to drain this tank also because moisture will get in this one as well.
Hey E-Team, Luke here. I had that IKEA bag and I didn't really like it. And I was talking to Steve. And so we cleared out the space. So I'm going to put 3 seam setters in there. And then put 1 upstairs, because more than likely we're only going to ever need 1. But if we were doing a panel, 3 would probably be more than sufficient. That's what we're going to do.
So for this morning's improvement, if you look here, this stuff is so thick on top that you can actually stick it in, bloop, and it stays put. That is thick. So it's too thick for us to use in the machine. And we're thinking that's been a problem for us. I think last week we were having some color issues, so we're gonna get this bad boy emptied out, cleaned up, all the lines flushed out and cleaned up, and start fresh and get rid of this mess.